Here's a full lace braided wig that I will demonstrate how to install. I will use a cap, put 2 holes on each side for the ears to poke through. Use a nude cap as well, please. I will place the unit on her head to measure it to make sure it's a snug fit. Because this unit was previously braided and they did an excellent job, you want to make sure that the unit is able to fit on your client's head. It's a very versatile look, especially when you're want braids and you don't want to commit to the time that it takes to braid. So here I cut the lace in 3 spots so that I can make sure it is properly secure on her head, and I will remove the lace off before I let it down. What's good about this unit is that the seller actually already supplied the elastic band on, which it allows for it to be a glueless unit, which is pretty awesome. I thought it was very neat. So I applied the got to be glue around the whole hairline, and I placed her under the hair dryer. So I will remove this whole strip. Here I have removed the strip and placed her unit on her head. Very, very easy, very, very quick, and lovely. So this is a great style, and even if you're suffering alopecia, anything, and you don't have the proper coverage for braids, this will be a great go-to style for you can use as a glueless install or an adhesive that will allow the unit to stay on your head for 2 to 3 weeks. So this is a great style.